Lord, where do I start? No.
So first, why did you decide to manage it yourself and not have a property management company do it?
Good. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so PadSplit does part, right? They are doing all of the marketing, so we don't have to do the marketing. They have a nice platform, so you can communicate with the pad mates. You could do like send house messages if you need to let everybody know something, they can message you. They can message each other actually without you.
Right.
And then you can see all of the members. You can see all the information about them. That's where all of the payment collection occurs.
Mhm.
And so what's really left is just managing the property itself, right? Because it's still your property. So
Right.
you're still responsible for the repairs and maintenance. Now, the cool thing that PadSplit does is that they do have a place where you can use their um, website to manage any tickets that either members have submitted for any kind of repairs or attention needed to the property, or you can actually create tickets in there. And then you can create users. So you have your team that has access to that.